I'm Susan, that's Simon behind the camera, and we're here for Attraction Tickets Direct for the grand opening of Infinity Falls. We're here talking to Jeff Hornick, Senior Director of Theme Park Development. Jeff, what can you tell us about this new attraction?
So we are so excited to be grand opening Infinity Falls today. It is a really amazing river rapids attraction. It's over 5 minutes long. We've taken the best of all river rapids attractions around the world to create this attraction. We've got 2 real long sections of river rapids run, and we also have a vertical lift that takes guests up 30 feet and then drops them over the edge 40 feet for a world record breaking drop on this type of attraction. It truly is the best way to cool off on these hot Florida days.
So we're going to get wet on this ride?
Guests should really expect to be soaked on this ride.
Will there be any surprises along the way?
There are a lot of surprises. So the first half of this ride is very front and center. We've designed it to be very close to all of the guest pathways so non-riders can really see and enjoy all of the fun that the guests are having, but that back half of the ride is actually hidden. So once you get to the backside, we have a few kind of secrets back there that you're going to have to ride to experience yourself.
So come on down to SeaWorld and get wet.
This is the best way to cool off, get wet, have fun with your friends and your entire family.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot.
Adecuada para todos los tripulantes. Todos los visitantes con buena salud deben viajar en esta
Ladies first, of course.
Cualquier explorador que esté embarazada, tenga presión arterial alta, mareos, problemas.
This is the loading platform for Infinity Falls, which, as you can see, is a continuous conveyor belt style, which really should be able to push through the maximum amount of people in the shortest possible time. Okay, this thing. This is Infinity Falls. This is the ride. Susan's taking the sensible option and going poncho. I'm doing it so we can see exactly how wet you can get. And
It's gonna be wet.
yep. Whoa! Oh, this is the rapid. Florida law requires that all rides end in the gift shop. And here it is, whitewater supply for all your Infinity Falls gifts and souvenirs. Once you've ridden the ride, bought the photo, here's the place to come for something to eat and to settle down afterwards. It's the Waterway Grill, which is the main dining opportunity here with Infinity Falls, and it's counter service and some extremely good looking food. Looks like we're just in time for dessert.